For years, DJI has dominated the world of motion imaging, redefining how we capture movement from the sky and on the ground. From industry-leading drones to buttery-smooth gimbals, DJI has shaped modern cinematography. But one question has always remained unanswered. What happens when DJI finally builds a true mirrorless camera, according to growing industry rumors? That moment may arrive at CES 2026. And if the leaks are accurate, this could be one of the most disruptive camera launches in years. DJI's rumored mirrorless camera isn't just another entry into an already crowded market. It represents a fusion of technologies the company has been refining for over a decade. With deep expertise in stabilization, AI tracking, and video pipelines, DJI enters this space with a unique advantage. Adding to the excitement is DJI's collaboration with Hasselblad, a brand synonymous with legendary color science and photographic heritage. This partnership suggests that DJI's first mirrorless system may deliver not only cinematic video performance, but also rich, natural color reproduction that photographers demand straight out of camera. Early leaks hint at a compact yet professional mirrorless body designed for hybrid creators who need both portability and power. The camera is expected to feature a balanced, ergonomic grip, modern controls, and a lightweight magnesium alloy construction. DJI's history with weather-sealed drones and action cameras strongly suggests dust and splash resistance, making this system ideal for travel, outdoor shoots, and unpredictable environments where reliability matters most. One of the most strategic decisions rumored is DJI's adoption of the L-mount system. As a member of the L-mount Alliance, DJI could instantly give users access to a massive ecosystem of high-quality lenses from Leica, Sigma, and Panasonic. This move removes one of the biggest barriers new camera brands face: limited lens options and Nest End. Positions DJI as a serious competitor from day one. At the core of this mirrorless camera is a rumored full-frame sensor, possibly around 45 megapixels. This would place it directly against heavyweights like the Sony A7R series and Canon R5. Such a sensor would offer exceptional detail, strong low-light performance, and impressive dynamic range. Combined with DJI's processing algorithms and Hasselblad-influenced color science, the camera could deliver cinematic colors, accurate skin tones, and stunning landscape detail with minimal grading required. Autofocus is another area where DJI could completely change expectations. The company's drones already use some of the most advanced subject tracking technology available, capable of predicting movement in real time. If this AI-driven system carries over, the mirrorless camera could feature next-level autofocus with human, animal, vehicle, and eye tracking both for photos and video. Fast, accurate, and intelligent autofocus would make this system especially appealing to wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and hybrid creators who rely on consistency. Video performance is where DJI is expected to truly shine, reports suggest. Support for 4,000 recording at up to 120 frames per second, opening the door to cinematic slow-motion footage. Professional features like 10-bit color, advanced codecs, and possibly even ProRes RAW could make this camera a dream tool for filmmakers and YouTubers alike. DJI's experience in reducing rolling shutter, stabilizing footage, and optimizing video pipelines may result in one of the smoothest mirrorless video experiences ever created. Stabilization is likely to be a defining feature. Leaks point toward 5-axis in-body image stabilization, potentially inspired by DJI's Ronin gimbals. By combining mechanical, optical, and digital stabilization, the camera could deliver incredibly smooth handheld footage without the need for external rigs. For run-and-gun shooting, documentaries, or travel filmmaking, this could be a game-changer. Connectivity also appears to be a major focus. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth USB-C video output, and full-size HDMI are all rumored, along with dual card slots for professional reliability. DJI's existing mobile ecosystem could evolve into a powerful companion app, offering live previews, wireless control, fast transfers, and even cloud backup, streamlining workflows for creators on the move. The target audience for DJI's Mirrorless camera is broad but focused. Hybrid creators, travel vloggers, wedding filmmakers, drone pilots already invested in the DJI ecosystem, and high-resolution photographers could all benefit from this all-in-one solution. With portability, professional video tools, premium image quality in a single body, DJI seems to be building a camera designed for modern creators who refuse to compromise. If even half of these rumored features become reality, DJI's first mirrorless camera could mark a turning point in the industry. By blending cinematic video, intelligent autofocus, advanced stabilization, and professional imaging into one compact system, DJI may challenge the dominance of traditional brands. As these 2026 approaches, all eyes are on DJI and the possibility that the future of hybrid cameras is about to change forever.